Suzal Khan is wrong for what he's doing. So will he go to every podcast that will be talking trash about Gigi Lamin? Like for real? I feel like what he's doing, like I feel like it's those type of nigga who don't understand like the media space woman. Like over social media don't do something. Like social media, like for really don't do something if like you're going to crash on it. Like yo bro, this girl can't read. So we need to find a replacement or find someone who can do what who can read. So okay, cool. What else being on? Masenda mtu chade. Ufiri kwenye uochisa mtu. Na watu watele. Mashere ni gone. Jera tone msana odiao. At first it's na watu wa uto mrani basi na wachi mma. Kama wako mbudo it. Udo. You know what it is, it's your boy LBK Saki Africa where back with another back. So I don't know bro the Tumaka but because of I just feel like this week I feel like this match is so powerful better speak in because of speaking like I feel like they are just repeating themselves. I'm going to go on I was going to medical checkers. But I guess I'll try to start to get that I can't be a person like it. But I'm just seeing people saying, "Yo, the guy is right, the guy is right." But what I can say, I just feel like Suzal Khan is wrong for what he's doing. So will he go to every podcast that will be talking trash about Gigi Lamin? Like for real? I feel like what he's doing, like I feel like it's those type of nigga who don't understand like the media space. Woman, like it's like when you are beefing with someone and you tryna when you meet him and you tryna fight with him. That it is what it is. Woman. So will Sister Ghanaian go to every podcast that will be talking trash about Gigi Lamy? Will he every time when they are talking trash about Gigi Lamy, will he go there to fight those people? Eh? Well, that means if they are saying he has downgraded and he eventually came there to fight them, that means whatever they are saying is true. You know what I'm saying? Whatever they are saying is true. So that is why he's feeling the necessary of him to go there or one. This is not because of not every time, but with the right manga, then he has to go there and fight them. Go on. Why does he find it needs to go there and fight them? Go on. Why? Like even though remember or I did as we done after that who was come on. And Chine Aku doesn't want those people to talk. Chine Aku Wembe and like how fuck woman just that show I saw it the way trauma guy woman. It just that it just that show. The problem is that it's two people who like don't give a fuck what are we saying what is going on. I think there is someone who always like he's trying to be good guy of the show, good this of the show, woman. So the problem I feel like it man like una move to goes you can see even when the situation is happening, she's not even into it. Like it seems like whatever she is happening there is boring. While older I mean now I should when I should now like it one. So I prefer say so when she survive even after this situation here it is will she be able to continue there? But then ended up on guy I feel like not so long ago she will be quitting. Like for real because una control na ila advert ni ngijawa kwet almost years mu mubara hona. Na then ndabona ngasile go quit because of I feel like there's no value that she's bringing. The value that she's bringing is that value of trying to be innocent, and it's just not innocent. She was also there, woman. She's also doing it, woman. If ngabe uchukua rhythm or harness champion or imaneleza so once she always wait to realize that she want to or play a victim part, woman. Why does she trying to play a victim part? So that means I will not remain as a very regular show because of what she is doing. Uh, Yes, that's what they should be trying to look for replacement, like literally just because of if but or continue and but those people who know this person I feel like she's trying to like udo brand she the person but I don't feel like she's doing the right thing woman. And then the was she's just like this type of person like it's just that to her it's not something that she likes doing it She's doing it even for the bag, for the entertainment. It's not like even the love. I feel like Twice is like a job, that okay. Yes, it's a job, but like to wife unangelandela or she die for it, like those two. This is not was one of the angazita like what type now la munana season. Abala mndu what type if obviously but over them they're doing it more this one is never about to sit for real rather than abala ni bang when I guess and don't say there's a real problem with this man and then this kind of like off when it comes to it one ange abala ni bang when we to sit yes we're doing this thing for yes this is what we live for entertainment in dinner and I get our bread off woman if we rest as it is to me our musu zvineringaziita rather than we cite izvizvi but I guess tamwe nemune kwanza zviri kuita mara I guess kutopurusha propaganda and not so long ago uzotuwa kule petu and zvingotobona zori mini uzotuwa usikare ngori mini the way nezvizvawaya kuzvichimbisa ngayo even the way that she talks I don't feel like ndimutone totombona kusurvive nkongwana uzotuwa usikare angatsidzore I don't think like udozora uchikara but because we want the way that she's surviving come on the way ndira ine akuti conduct ngayo when it comes to other people come on ari kumbona mutone ndinoti yo imeri nduri the problem is that she's trying to play victim all the time come on utame victim ila yo ngangari ane hawo kaizo zvithu zvine zvokuita ngomwana and which is wrong because she's part of that team and ndingasiri muthu part of the team ineyo ane every time avachinyokuva kuita akuplay victim kumwana always wakwenye kutori avalani vanhu kumwana va to seem like vana vavako amba so wrong which is wrong which is asizvone izvo zvithu naimini uvapatira izvo zvithu zvinezvo zvazvikuita if navo vavakwamba zovhawo zvamba nayo kwamba zvozovhawo not uri mini zvike ndehavalani vamwe every time vadavakuita vakwamba zvozovhawo ene uvakwamba zvakukoma pesi ngwana as even even I saw something happening in the States that Jesse, what is it? And Jesse hilarious and what is the I forget the name. But those two never corridor meaning. Oh, he wrong at the breakfast club or mean. Other you need a more meaning because of more or place more. Well, I think like actually when you actually talk about Kashwell or toward them, replacement then Basra to what the Shalman the Golden Do and DJ Envy. And everyone server to me. So I was with me. They need to fill up one moment, then one Holland, and then Holland was 1 minute. The first time that they are, she can't read. Remember, the bitch can't read. That's the problem. She can't read. So if the bitch can't read, that is the problem because there's a segment there where she is supposed to read, and the bitch can't read. That's the problem. Remember? So the only problem they are if this bitch can't read, what will happen? Remember? If she can't read, what will happen? This is every time when she trying to read a sentence, you know what I'm saying? So she can't read. Then they find someone to replace her when she goes to a maternity leave. So okay, cool. They find some, and when they find that person, it's person with what with a talent. Come on. The maternity was gone, and then guess what? Over to a producer like of the show. Come on. So when muntu achikoda zvino kukodojenera munhu so she's omuntu kukodojenera munhu and achijena mushimo yako okweta zvine wakunyagura zviita here she's proving herself so okay I can literally do this thing so vala akavoni zvine vakuombora mini oh if you can do this thing that means ringaita mine ringashuma naye wemiri achiuyaulani mini unochaya segment yami yaulani yoita mudiovaara and the problem is that ndiyo mini ulani akunoita akunubara and namine nekurona ndiyo mini avala vamwe vaviri unoita vone avaambo mini ndije vinati nashalbe vone avamba kaziposa mini yo bro this girl can't read so we need to find a replacement or find someone who can read so okay cool she's there she's working they're working All the time you say what you work with all try to backball. Like, if she's talking, yo, shut up, then I think it was Tuesday. She crashed out, she went live, she's talking shit. Like, ndiyo ndi problem yavathu muntu una problem mara hakunohamba navathu uye acrash out kasocial media like upfuma ri social media ndomutusangana like social media like for really ndomutusangana if like you're going to crash on it like ndomutusangana when it comes to worry yo these people are doing this and doing this to me if I'm crashing on social media maybe it will help you with what eh? It will help you with what? Like, I'm not going if one guy crash out because social media or what or something or social media. I don't think it will help you with something. Don't know that it's over social media. Yeah, oh, what could do teacher but I guess it's not fire. I guess maybe this written morning is not work as well. The problem is that okupedza na chipinga mini asikuda kushibona muntu mwana maybe ngaropedza zvizoba 6 days as wakada vizvo she decided to come back to the job. Musaida kumushumuri, she's coming back with the specs. Yeah, she's wearing like pieces. I guess she because of the day before I mean oil life. Maybe Tamu already gotta come and do my job, whatever. She came wearing the specs. I guess he's reading what? He's reading glasses. So they're there, they're addressing the situation, they're addressing the she then addressed the situation of she can't read. Come back. Then the guy then because of he's polling, he's playing politics. And okay, for me to play politics, don't get the same way with me. This is it's like what? You can't read? It's like what are we talking about? I can't read. I can't read. It's like, where did you get the information? From the net? Or Disney because you have a It's like, yeah, I get it from the net. Yo, you guys are done fish. Like, okay, that's why I'm still like Disney was one of the like the wretched doing Disney's Tom over. Actually, this one they can't really like relate with the traditional media, not the media which is like this one of your no of social media, like the one of old media, which is the radio, the TV, like the I'm trying to like always just trying to scream. Like they believe like if mtu scream and you know the wakuta akwamba mapufara which is scream as you don't need the one who point. So now one paragraph. As I'm sorry if you read like a big paragraph, you'll be screaming a point. No, as I'm be shit as man, the one I paragraph in you, but I was not pointing in Ofara. So I guess now I forgot because of wisdom. Oh, I'm best. I mean, other outcome point. And like, no, I will not mean outcome by the point. No, one. So, okwadala segment yoni ndio mini ukubala makubo mara hakulu ndio bala mara ene hakulu bala. She can read but she's angry for the people who read. They change her from the segment. She's angry that they change her from that segment but she can't read. So how will you be in the segment where people are supposed to be reading and you are angry that they change you from that segment because of they have to find someone who can read, but literally it was your segment to do, but you can't do it because of you can't read, and you are angry because of they find someone to replace you because of she can read. So what's there to be debated? You can't read, bro. Like that's it. If you can't read, you can't read. Like why don't you learn to read? Like I don't know. Did she pass the trial? I don't think she passed. I guess that's it. They don't call it to travel again. I don't know where they are. Ah, they call it. Come on, but literally she can't read. So we don't know really if she can read what happened to make her that she can read. Well, one. So if she can read, what else can she do? Come on. I guess she should she should have put the baby live. She should not even go back to the even to the maternity one. What about the baby and then I was so better. I'm like, what the fuck? What's wrong with this person? What's wrong? Like, I doesn't understand what such pieces of it. But I opinion yanga ndavha ndi zori like wompedza chikhala asi alive to discuss the issues that's going at work. Are they alive for to trash talk his workers like abambengelandira mashikelela yavafamba like I feel like it's quite pro like you don't have the most to snatch to they like you can't trash talk your who you work with like why you are trash talking them just you have to leave them like you have to think about so why do you have to trash talk them ngwana ndi zvimwe zvithu zvine zvava zvikopora ngwana haukhamu trash talk vhathu vane washuma navo ngwana saka zvisazazakona zvozvo toite mningai and the other thing that's need to be done with him can you wait I don't know what's up with him that one that when someone is talented and you are the goat of what you do then it's probably when I mean the goat I mean the greatest rapper to ever lived the influence people like many stuff like of our I'm talking about our generation. I'm not sure the I'm not talking about their generation, but in our generation is the greatest rapper of all time. And it's not like Jay-Z is the greatest. Jay-Z just that has it's because of his business mindset. That's why the people think like he's the greatest. It's not like he's the greatest rapper of all time. No. The greatest rapper of all time is Kanye West, all influence music, how to write, like all those type of things that you gotta have as to influence this generation. Like all these things that people are doing, like he has done it before. So I guess that is the problem of him, like not even like be able to talk, like to do like certain things. I feel like it's because of how like his mindset is. I feel like that's how you do Panakota. Is that most of the time we don't understand. So I don't understand. And the problem is that we call him genius. Yes, but we can say he's a genius. And but it's just that you have to believe or you are a genius at first. But I guess that's how many people like will say they are foolish. I guess most until but by me. Which is one of us was know. So I guess the way as young so I guess we thought Easy was gonna fail after he was done by Adidas. Easy didn't fail after he was done by Adidas. So I guess he's still doing massive shit. They're still selling. And this was officers in Venezuela. We didn't. They are ugly, but they are being sold. So we were not thinking of state as well. Those ones go there. My case was with ugly. My husband was sell. So I think we will get him. My husband was sell. Mana, those ones they so you should see what has been going on the so who bought the because of I'm seeing the names you like your black coffee because of people are saying black coffee so if black coffee will bring a red bola wa ko bana bara chiri sinti kido ya ko kama kami that guy abra barula I'm sure bara so as there are things who bought but I'm seeing black coffee's name and I saw that he been with 3 million unless they say we must wait for this week to end so that we will see what is gonna happen I don't know madodi wanzoro ndindinyora ngapata many literally na watu vanenge vangawira but ndikakusizoti if black of the Johnny Saka football will he be able to maintain that club will he be able to maintain it and what is going to happen with it's like with the matches like all the stuff apparently it's been long he's got one so he'll have match to the time I don't know the time I don't want to the time come on I don't know but I'm going to I guess though when I trouble in I guess mara often I was the time but Messi lay out about the Java muti I don't know that's a deal but those dudes I guess I'm the Java is the team's name to town my time so I shouldn't go down but however it was going to in a situation when it comes to this thing I guess I know this one. No, this one. Last sort of zone that would let me like for real, for real. That's that now. You go flamboyant, man. They became fleshy. They wanna. They become that thing of they wanna prove a point. Like you guard the bag, bro. That is why like you're not supposed to do that thing. If you have the money, you have the money. You know, we must know. We must not know that we have the money. No man. The man must just show yes, you have the money. Rather than this thing of yours of flashing it, like bro, like you can't flash money, bro. Like it's a humble money, bro. Like, people think like money is like that's you come on, you can just play with it, be fish with it. Nah, don't pay that. Let's pay that for that thing, try to blind. Let's imagine that 23K that they want from SARS. It's 23 or it's 40. Somewhere there, but they want like listen, man. So I saw someone saying like after they sold the club name, then they started but what is gonna happen? Because they're not saying she owns 3 meter. How? Then but I asked myself how can they sell the how can they sell the status of PSL club for 3 million? Isn't that more? Isn't it like your 40K? You're not 40K, 40M. How? Isn't that cheap? I feel like it's cheap, bro. Like, for real, for real. I feel like it's cheap, bro. Like, yes, you can say yes, they sold it, but I guess the money that the amount that they are selling it, I guess it's cheap because of the race that I know that Lake of Wales is 3 meter. So if they're selling it for 3 meter, isn't it that young? I don't know, bro. I guess it's so tomorrow is Friday. Who is dropping? This Shehu. So who is dropping? I don't know. Is this crocodile like something? Is that there's nothing that you can do to come back. Even though he's dropping, but there's nothing. I feel like there's nothing that you can do that will even make him like be the guy. Like okay, like, the time it's over. Who else is there dropping? My culture is dropping. As the ones who make us drop anything. Because of the electrical from drop last week. So I said drop last week because my tell me I peace them. Open on Zoom mini, you learn to win is a winning freedom. You got 10, and then I mean, no, I said drop a mini side. Drop a mini win is a win. Come on, my tell where and manga wouldn't stand the doctor and no yellow delete. No, I did delete it as a chaka. There's already re-upload on one. I didn't I let you sing the stuff. If so, then there are none good thing tonight, the owners of the singer and then no meters and as if you sing. I, they are barrow 100 and there. Isn't there no? Now you won't have a drop. No, won't have a drop of vendor at the but literally, they are miserable for the people. I don't do the drop already. But when music feel for the people, some do the drop, but I'm not going to music drop while others and people to tell the on the word. Even a track in here, people to do ya, it don't vary. Now, people's name, but it's often that track winch. I stop on the look green of momentum so, but I don't know the drop. Because of what I shouldn't do. One. Well, I didn't know the number, the number for more. And they saw for vessel and you know, because man, call out on a boy piece. One. Mabuto na mbutura ai ndikubona iyo tenda sa na la visa mashiga yote ngoma ati visa la yote then aburo zuri zidoshimisa hani rather than to akusuku yo treko to is kuzula ngoma because that's the problem with that is treko yako no bible trend that then but mu yilinde right in there akalo kuita iko wakufunga tangu ito trend ziko trend the moment each konambe but watch konambe kuita mimi ashikusko yakunamba kuilicho kunamba kuilicho iko dolita idobisa momentum wayo wopesa wote over one sake sa ndibona whether ngabe ashuto namba visira treke zvino ati visira zvino so kana private kanu ukadona mention chikudo nyango treke to iko wotonto iko li piwo au na ndine chine chikudo ita uri treke to iko yo au na chine chikudo chikuita uri treke to iko yo treke ufande kare iko yo kare sa treke kare yo fana yo vi one the last one is for matsheloni ano vhuya bisi ra pfha muzika mara zwi ḓo vhuisa vendrap tshipidi tshivhilelani vendrap i ḓo vhuya nyana ri ḓo i pfha uri ya i kha ḓivha vendrap iḽa ya kale na kale nga si ri ndi ḓa ite zwine vhathu vha khou nyaga uri ite zwone u ḓo ita zwine ene muṋe a khou fiḽa uri u khou nyaga u ita zwone then which is a ri ḓivhi ndi zwifhio zwithu mara ḓo ḓivha zwo ḓo ḓi itea mini. So what else has been going on? And muhumbulelwa, what is going on nga khisi ya muhumbulelwa ngori khisi ya muhumbulelwa yo tswa goloi dza vhathu a ri zwipfa uri khou itea mini kha khisi ya muhumbulelwa ya SABC Live ngori muhumbulelwa SABC Live na zwino a ri khou pfha uri khou itea mini I don't know nga maanḓa ho itea mini kha khisi ya muhumbulelwa a ri na muhumbulelwa na SABC Live a thi a ḓivha uri iteni muhumbulelwa kha ḓo gwevhiwa na vha sa ri sema muhumbulelwa a ngori muhumbulelwa ri khou neta nga zwithu zwawe zwine muhumbulelwa a khou zwi ita muhumbulelwa khou ri netisa ndi kale blind muhumbulelwa ri khou na tsho tsho dinesa muhumbulelwa TWT ya ṱovha nga nḓila ya yo ṱovha na Android ri ndi kalesa a tshi khou dina muhumbulelwa ndi kale a khou dinesa muhumbulelwa o dinesa nahone muhumbulelwa a ḓo ḓi vhona zwo ita like ene neta ṅwamba nga khakha and uri zwino o lelwa tshelede ḓi tshelede zwifhio dza khou pfhi send off dza bail a thi vhalwa na mini vhathu ni tshi sendela hani tshelede dza bail ḽa u funa u senda tshelede dza vhathu zwino vhona muthu u khou amba uri a tsha amba tshithu no ḽa ṅwana na khou o vha khou senda tshelede ḽa tou let's khawula vhathu ndo zwigevhenga vhathu mimi na mimi tshi sendela tshelede na zwifhinga vheiba vhathu na zwifhinga na tshifhinga a vhathu na tshifhinga vhathu vha na tshifhinga wa senda muthu tshelede ri khou nyaga u dzhiisa muthu na vhathu vha tea masheleni gani dzhiela ṱhohoni musana o diaho a thi pfhesesi uri na vhathu vha vha khou ṱoḓa mini vha sala vha tshi ṱhaṅwe vha khumbelo u ḓo ita u ḓo vha who knows zwithu zwine a zwi pfhali. But anyway, it's your boy LBK Sunny Africa. You know what it is. Back then, I'm out here.